Welcome back. This is Mr. Tipton, and today we are evaluating expressions. This is an algebra type of skill. Basically, we're getting into using variables and substituting numbers in for those different variables. Here we've got two separate problems. On the left we have evaluate when x is equal to 12. And below it we have the expression 2 plus x, and all we're going to do is substitute the 12 in for the x, because we know that x equals 12. 2 plus 12 is 14. And you know, we're evaluating when we do this. We're gonna use that Dorito or that pizza format. Just that's how we're gonna keep our work organized. Okay, over here on the right, evaluate when r is equal to 5. So 17 minus 5 is 12. No big deal. Evaluating expressions, just a beginning of variable stuff. Okay, I've got a few different kinds of expressions that we're going to look at in this video. Here we've got multivariable. As you see in our expression, we have a w minus an x. There's no numbers, but we're given the numbers in the directions. Evaluate when w equals 11 and x equals 3. So 11 minus 3 is 8. Good stuff. We also have absolute value expression. We've talked about absolute value before. Evaluate when w is equal to negative 9. Okay, so we've got the negative 9 in for the w. And remember, absolute value is a distance from 0. So we're actually going to do that first. And how far is negative 9 from 0? Well, it's 9 away from 0. So negative 4 plus 9 is a positive 5. And what else do we have here? Nonlinear. A lot of times when you see exponents in expressions, those are going to be nonlinear. Still works the same way though. 3 times t to the second power, and t is 2. Now be careful, this isn't 32 to the second power. We're multiplying here, so we have to be sure that we show that we're multiplying. I like parentheses, but technically the dot or the x could work as well. And when we evaluate, we've got 2 to the second power. We do that first, exponents before multiplying. 2 squared is 4. 3 times 4 is 12. There we go. That's evaluating a nonlinear expression. And one with radicals. Radical is this check mark sign here, the square root. That sign is called a radical sign. Evaluate when j is equal to 3. So still inside the radical, we've got 13 plus 3, which is going to give us 16. And the square root of 16 is 4. Okay. Technically it's positive and negative 4, but for right now we're just going to stick with the positive square root of 16, which is 4. And I think that's it. Yep, that's all we need for evaluating expressions. If you have any questions, write them down. Be ready to talk about them, and we'll see you soon.